Hello everyone. Today we will see transistor action. We are knowing that transistor is connected in three type in circuit. This is common base, common emitter and common collectors. Common base is written here CB, common emitter CE, common collector. Normally we use these two types. So we will see how the battery is connected. Biasing means provide voltage to the transistor. Providing voltage to the transistor. So how we are connecting cell in that? We are knowing that there are three terminals. So we will take this transistor biasing and its action. Taking NPN type of a transistor. So in example we will take NPN transistor for biasing and their action. So see, first of all we are going under this common base circuit. So if common base if we are taking, so see very carefully. This is a tree. Tree means this is the base. These three terminals available here, right? In these three terminals, this is N type. So N, P, N type semiconductor. So this is, in the previous lecture I told it is a input. This is emitter terminal, collector, and it is base. Now see very carefully. Emitter which is connected in input circuit is always forward biased. How it is forward biased? See very carefully. For the forward biasing of it, negative connected with negative and positive connected with positive terminal of a cell. This is for transistor biasing in which I am connecting only the cell. If positive is connected with the positive terminal and negative is connected with a negative terminal, then it is called forward biasing, right? So here it is FB, F denotes for forward, B denotes for forward biasing, right? And see the collector. Collector is connected in the reverse biasing. What is the reverse biasing? Just opposite to this, negative connected with positive. See carefully. The cell used in collector region in the reverse bias in output terminals have higher voltage than this. That is why it is connected in this way. See carefully. Here in this, the circuit current you see, emitter current. What is this current called? Collector current, IC, and it is IB, base current, the common, right? And one more thing, we can see this is N, P, and transistor under base is common in input and output. Base is common, so it is common base configuration. This is how this biasing is done. Currents emit from positive terminals here. So see carefully it is. So here is a positive. If you apply junction law here, it is junction law here in this case. Emitter current, see this IV junction is here in this. So emitter current is equal to base current plus collector current. Now see the current configuration here in the NPN transistor under common emitter phenomena. So to make common emitter phenomena, see carefully in the circuit. This NPN transistor, it is emitter, common in both. This is collector, N, P, N. N, P, N transistor. So NPN emitter, this is collector, this is a base. So this input circuit is always under forward bias. Forward bias means connected with this is P with positive and N with negative under a forward bias, right? Collector connected with heavy voltage in reverse bias, so N with positive, negative, positive, negative, heavier voltage with here. Emitter is common in both. See carefully for their circuit. It is one current. What is this current called? Emitter current. What is this? Base current. And it is, what is this called? Positive collector current, right? So current directions we are from positive to negative, right? See, so junction here also we can apply junction law, right? IB and IC is approaching to this junction and I is leaving the junction, so we may write I is equal to IB plus IC. The output voltage terminal is at under reverse bias. So this NPN transistor is taken under which condition? What is the common here? See in the circuit. Common emitter is common in it. Common emitter configuration herein. This is how biasing is done. This circuit diagram in output terminal and input terminal both. Here output, input. How battery is connected. Only it is represented. What is the forward bias and what is the reverse bias. Now see the transistor action. The transistor action we are explaining here by taking example of NPN. 3 terminals are here. Treat it as a emitter, base, collector, right? This is explained under taking an example in which emitter is a common emitter configuration. Which type of transistor we are using? NPN, common emitter. See these two here in the circuit. See carefully. If you are able to understand, you can understand the mechanism of any type of a transistor in any configuration. So see very carefully. So in input, emitter is a common. It is connected with this. See, it is input circuit. Positive, negative, negative, positive, connected here. It is under forward bias. See how it works. We are knowing that N-type semiconductor, majority charge carriers are electron. These electrons are represented by here in this circuit. See the diagram very carefully, right? Now second diagram is for output circuit. Here see output circuit between this. It is under reverse bias, right? So under reverse bias, see carefully. Reverse bias means negative is connected with a positive. Here negative is connected with terminal opposite. To regulate the voltage, variable potential difference devices are used. See very carefully. To understand this, see here. Electrons are majority charge carriers represented here, and holes are majority charge carriers here in the p-type semiconductor. Holes are the majority charge carriers. Transistor is acting as a two type of p-n junction diode. NP, PN, two junctions are here. See here in it, two circuit is used here. One this circuit, another this circuit is used. These two circuits are used here, and see how it is acting. How it is under two. One which is under the forward bias. See the first circuit here. Two depletion layer is here, one is here, another is here. Let's see first of all the forward bias configuration. So when it is under the forward bias, electron is represented by cross, is attracted towards this side, negative terminal, attracted towards this, and hole towards this positive terminal. Electron repels from this is repel. Negative terminal like charge is repel, and here positive it's repel. Both moves towards the junction. Both moves towards the junction. Majority charge carrier holes in the p-type, and negative charge carriers in the n-type semiconductor. Forward bias circuit of a transistor, NPN transistor, is here made down. It is under forward bias. Positive potential means negative is negative, positive with positive. See carefully, right? And electrons are repelled this side and here this side. Both are able to see. This is first potential barrier junction. When potential is under forward bias, this junction, the first junction, shrinks. Junction shrinks because when potential is applied, the majority charge carriers of both sides try to cross the junction. In that condition, junction shrink, size becomes small. If size becomes small, then resistance of junction decreases, right? When junction decreases, what happens? Current easily passes through junction. So this junction becomes smaller. See, this is junction becomes very small size. Here see in this junction, electric field is set up. So whatever the charges here, it is a negative charges jump here inside and this side positive. So internal electric field is developed in this direction at the junction. See carefully. It is this phenomena takes place in the input circuit which is connected with the forward bias, right? Now see the current mechanism in reverse bias. So to make a reverse bias, first of all see the first junction where we have explained this junction's big shrinks. We are going to see the position of next here. Two terminals available. See reverse bias. It is base is open here. Only we are representing reverse bias in which this is N transistor. See very carefully. Connected with reverse bias in output terminal. Majority charge carriers are electrons. Right? Here positive. See carefully in the reverse bias condition. Electrons which are majority charge carriers positive, they are attracted. They are attracted this side towards and holes this side. In that condition, the size of the second junction here becomes wider, larger. So what happened to your junction? Enlarged, right? Junction is enlarged. Junction enlarged means what? Potential barrier size increases. This implies that resistance increases. So problem to pass the current. So difficult to become pass the junction. Resistance increases in a reverse bias. See in this. So it is negative. So positive plate positive becomes and this plate becomes negative. So internal field is developed in this side. Here internal field was in this side in the first junction and second. So first junction size shrinks and right side reverse bias junction size increases. So resistance increases. So here is a transfer of resistor. What is transfer of resistor? Resistor transfer from forward bias junction to where? Reverse bias junction. That is why it is called transfer of resistor. See, cut this. What becomes? Transistor. Transistor stand for transfer of resistor from forward bias depletion layer to reverse bias depletion. In earlier, the both junctions were of same size, same resistance.